Hey guys, it's Nestor with Support305, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your multi-display in full screen. The first step is you're going to want to go into the room where the multi-display is located. So in this case, it's the lounge. You're going to go ahead and highlight all the displays and select an active source. In this example, we use one of the presentation tools. You're going to want to wait about 10 to 15 seconds for all the displays to turn on. And once you verify that all the displays are on and showing the source, you're going to want to head back to the drop-down menu for the rooms and head to Lounge Full Screen. And from there, you're going to select that same source that you selected on the multi-display. And in this case, it was the presentation tool. Once you verify that it's showing in full screen, if you need to adjust any audio or you want to change the audio source, you're going to go back to the main multi-display room, which was the lounge. Bottom left corner, you're going to see the speaker icon, and from there you can choose from any of the available sources in your system. Turning off the multi-display is going into that main multi-display room and highlighting all the displays, and at the bottom right you'll see a power icon and it'll turn off all the displays.